Hello, my name is Raidis and welcome to SQL for business users. This course meant to help business users, non-technical people, and the students to understand the database concepts and introducing them to writing SQL statements. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is used to query and manage databases. Before we start, let us explain some of the key definitions. What is data? Data is information processed or stored in a computer. Object attributes such as name, weight, height, color, description, etc. are data related to the object. Employee number, name, national ID, department, address, etc. are data related to the employee record. Text documents, images, audio clips can also be considered data. What is database? Database is a collection of data or information that's organized for rapid search and retrieval by a computer. Databases are structured to facilitate the storage, retrieval, modification, and deletion of data in conjunction with various data processing operations. What is Database Management System or DBMS? DBMS is a software package that allows data to be effectively stored, retrieved, and manipulated. DBMS enables users and applications to access database and manipulate the stored data. The data stored in DBMS can be accessed by multiple users and by multiple applications or programs. Microsoft SQL Server, Oracle Database, and Microsoft Access are examples of database management systems. Let us take an example of employee information report that contains the attributes employee ID, name, hire date, salary, the salary range, min-max of the job title, department name, and job title. The report shows Nancy Greenpear belongs to Finance Department and she's the Finance Manager. Let us see how Nancy's record would look like in the database. The Finance Department record is stored in the Department table and the Department ID value is 100. The Finance Manager job title is stored in the Job table. The rest of the employee attributes are stored in the Employee table, and Nancy's employee ID is 108. Nancy's employee record in the employee table is linked to the department table via department ID 100 and linked to the job title via job ID FI_MGR. Now, how the table structure would look like in the database. The extracted employee data is sourced from 3 tables: department table, job table, employee table. The department table contains the department employee record. The department ID column is the unique identifier, which used to link the department and employee records together. The job table contains the job title master records, and the job ID column is the unique identifier. The job ID attribute exists in the employee table as well in order to link the job and employee records together. The employee table contains the employee attributes in addition to the reference columns for the master record tables. So according to this database structure, if you have a new department in the organization and you need to assign employees to the new department in the human resources system, first, you will need to add the department record to the department table in order to use it for populating the department ID column for the related employee record. Otherwise, the system will not allow you creating the employee records for the new department.